Students, now I am going to teach very important 5-mark question, that is Van de Graaff generator. This question is important 5-mark question, many times repeated in public examination. So note it, it is very important 5-mark question, Van de Graaff generator. So first, before start this question, you must know where this type of generator is using. Here, this Van de Graaff generator is used to produce a large amount of electrostatic potential in the order of 10 power 7 volt. 10 power 7 volt means that is several million volt. You know the values for the 10 power 7. Okay, so it is used to produce a large amount of electrostatic potential in the order of the 10 power 7 volt. Here this electrostatic potential is used to accelerate the positive ions like proton and deuteron. Here this accelerated positive ions proton and deuteron, it is also used for the disintegration in nuclear stations. This Van de Graaff generator is designed by one of the scientists, Van de Graaff. So it is named as Van de Graaff generator. Here already you know what is in the generator. Generator means it is used to produce a electrical energy. Okay, so here it is used to produce a large amount of electrostatic potential in the order of the 10 power 7 volt. It consists of one of the metal hollow spherical conductor. It is consists of one of the metal hollow spherical conductor, that is noted with letter A. Okay, this only a hollow metallic spherical conductor. It is mounted on the insulating pillar. This pillar is one of the insulating pillar. It is mounted on the insulating stand. And this also consists two pulley B and C. The B is placed at the center of the hollow metallic sphere. This pulley C is placed at the bottom of the Van de Graaff generator. Here the pulley C is connected to the one of the electric motor, and then a silk belt is also placed over the pulley B and C. Here when the electric motor is switched on, it is driven the pulley C. So this belt is made up of the insulating silk, is also moves over the pulley B and C like this. Okay, this is one of the rubber belt. Here we are using this rubber belt. Okay, so here the belt, it is made up of the one of the silk material, that is insulating silk material. It is also moves over the pulley B and C. Next, it consists of the sharp edges like the metallic spikes D and E. The D is placed near to the pulley C, and it is also connected to the high potential battery in the order of 10 power 4 volt. Okay, it is connected to the external battery. Here it has a high potential in the order of the 10 power 4 volt. The another spikes, metallic spikes, is placed near to the pulley B, and it is also connected to the inside of the hollow cylinder, metallic hollow cylinder. So these are the construction of the Van de Graaff generator. Next, working method. Now the battery is switched on, so it is produces a high potential to the spikes. There is also produces a positive charges. Here the pulley C is also driven, so that the sharp edge there is also having the positive charges. Due to the action of points, the air medium between the belt and the spikes is ionized by the charges present on the spike. That is a positive charges. These positive charges, it is also ionized the surrounding air molecules between the belt and the sharp edge due to the action of points. So there is also produces a positive ions and negative ions. These negative ions attract by the sharp edge, because the sharp edge it has a positive charges, so it is attract the negative ions. These positive ions are repelled from the sharp edges. That repelled positive ions is stick on the belt, and it is also moves over the pulley C, and it is also reached to the pulley B due to the pulley C is rotate. These positive ions is reached to the comp E, that is a sharp edge E, due to the electrostatic induction. Due to the electrostatic induction, there is also produces the charges on the sharp edges. So here there is a positive charges. These positive charges, it is also produces due to the electrostatic induction. There is also produces the charge, like that is a negative charges. Okay students. So at the spikes there is also having the negative charges due to the electrostatic induction. Now due to the action of points, these negative charges is produce the ionization on the surrounding air molecules. There is also produces the positive ions and negative ions. So these negative ions are repelled and the positive ions are attracted. These repelled negative ions is also neutralize the positive charges stick on the belt. Okay, that attract the positive charges, it is also distributed to the metallic conductor. Distributed to the metallic conductor. So whenever the belt is in descending order, there is no charges. Here these charges is neutralized by the negative charges repelled by the sharp edge E. So in a descending order there is no charges. So when it is reached to the comp D, here there is also produces the charges, positive charges. That positive charges is also stick on the belt and it is reached to the pulley B. So this process it is also continue until the outer surfaces produces the potential difference in the order of the 10 power 7 volt. Okay students, this is one of the working method of the Van de Graaff generator. Okay, so it is work based on the principle of the action of points and electrostatic induction. So like this, here there is also produces a large amount of charges. This charges is start to leak to the surrounding. To avoid the leakage of the charges, here this Van de Graaff generator is covered by using this one of the chamber, and it is filled with gas in very high pressure. Okay, like this Van de Graaff generator, it is used to produce the large amount of electrostatic potential. This electrostatic potential is used to accelerate the positive ions for nuclear disintegration and other application. It is very important 5 more questions students. So clearly watch this video and memorize these questions. Okay, thank you.